Next question. Food Limited is presently operating at, highlight the portion, 60% capacity. So whatever the capacity that it has, from that it is only utilizing 60%. It is producing 36,000 packets of the snacks foods and proposes to increase the capacity utilization in the coming year by one third over the existing level of production. Whatever the existing level of the production, from that it will increase by one third. The following data has been supplied. The present profitability statement is given. Cost of raw material, cost of direct wages, variable overhead, fixed overhead, sales is given. Raw material holding period, WIP holding period, average payment period, finished goods holding period, average collection period, average payment period for expenses, cash balances is given. Wages and overhead accrue evenly throughout the production cycle. Means overhead is accrued as a percentage of the direct wages. This is a point which you cover in your overhead cost control chapter. You are required to prepare projected statement of the profitability, highlight the portion at new level. That is the first question. And the second question is statement of the working capital requirement. I request all of you to put your answer in the chat box that how many units the company will produce and sell at new activity level. Please write that answer in the chat box. Dear students, it has been provided that the capacity will increase by one third over the existing level. That is a question. What is the existing level of the production? 36,000 into 1 by 3. That comes to 12,000. So 36,000 plus 12,000. We are going to produce and sell 48,000 number of units at new activity level. That is what we understand. I request all of you to write down answer along with me. Working note number 1. Calculation of number of units to be produced and sold at new activity level. In that it is present plus increase. We understand that presently we are having 36,000 number of units that we produce and sell plus 36,000 into 1 by 3. So it will increase by one third over the existing. It will increase to 48,000. So this is the new activity level that we will have. Or otherwise, just for understanding purpose, you may have a working like this. It is 36,000 divided by 0.6. We can compute that, say, what is the number of units that we produce and sell at full capacity level. It is 60,000. And we are going to work at one third over the existing. Existing is 0.6 divided by 3 is 0.2. 0.2 plus 0.6 is 0.8. So we'll have the 80% capacity. That is also the way you can compute 48,000 number of units. So you may compute the full capacity and then you compute 80%. Sir, how this 80% is calculated? Very simple. It is 0.60 plus 0.60 into 1 by 3. Because language of the question is very clear. Let's say there is an increase of one third over the existing level of production, not one third of the full production level. If it is one third of the full production level, then in that case, say we would be having say 60,000 into 1 by 3, 20,000 to be added to 36,000, and the answer would be 56,000. However, it is one third over the existing. That is what we understand. Now answer for the first question. Preparation of projected statement of profitability at new level. In bracket I am writing 48,000 number of units.